Hello you guys, and welcome to this episode of the Appalachian History Detectives. This is going to be a short little video. I wanted to bring you guys to a reveal, and this reveal is a package I received in the mail. Some of you guys have watched the video in the past, recent past, where I pull out of the ground a percussion plate. I wasn't sure what it was. I didn't even know if it was legitimate. Once I pulled it out of the ground, it's just a real small, what they call a mini. And I wasn't sure if it was a belt buckle, what it was. It looked like something from the Civil War. And I posted on ID Me, and all the responses I got back was, man, congratulations, that's a great find. I was disappointed that I had damaged it when I dug it out of the hole. And so I put out a feeler on Facebook. And I think it was the Hoover Boys Facebook group. And so I posted in there if anyone knew who out there who could restore something like this. And I would say probably 95% of the comments I received, which were many, recommended a gentleman by the name of J.P. Hunt. So I sent my plate to him, and this is it here. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right, I want to cut it, without hopefully not damaging anything. All right. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, so it says, this side up, careful, don't cut into foam, cut just the tape on the dotted lines. The plate is loose inside. Holy smokes! You guys, I am going to post some pictures in this video of what this plate used to look like. Look at that. Holy cow. It is actually stamped with the manufacturer's name and make on that. And I'll post that in the video. Is that awesome or what? I just can't believe this. It's just so beautiful. JP, thank you. Thank you so much for restoring this plate for me. You guys have a great day. God bless. Get out there and detect. Go out there and history hunt. You guys have an awesome day today. We'll catch you on the next episode.